class, welcome. Product property of logarithms is our topic for today. We have to spend logarithm. We have to assume of the expression exist and are well defined. So this is our problem. Log of 3 times x times w. All right. We have to write our answer as a sum of a difference of the common logarithms or multiples of common logarithms. The inside of each logarithm must be a distinct constant or variable of the log 3xw. All right. So remember this. The properties. I would like to write the product properties. The first one, the first property is we call quotient property. Quotient property. What I mean this, when you have the quotient property is when we have when we have a problem like this, log b, okay, I mean log m with the base b, okay, minus log b n, like this. This is equals will be equals to log b on the top, right, m divided by n. Okay, where here where b comma m and then n and n are positive. These are positive, and then b is different of 1, right? B must be different of 1. So the next property that we have to remember is power property. Okay, what is a power property? So it's when you have a log and this m to the n power with the base b, this is equals n log m with the base b, here where b and m are positive, and then b different of 1, right? Also, actually, it's the same thing. So a common logarithm is another property that we have to write. A common logarithm. A common logarithm uses base 10. Use the base 10. Okay, but the common logarithm, let's write one more idea key here. The common logarithm, we write it like this: log, okay, x with the base 10, right? But you usually it's written like this. Usually you write the log x only like that, without the base 10. We don't have to write it. When you write it like this, log x, we understand that the base is base 10. We don't have to write it 10. Alright? Okay. So now, after this, let's go and solve our first problem. This is very important, remember. Well, I mean, you must know. You must know the rule, the properties of the logarithms, okay? The product property of the logarithms, okay? How solve this problem? So here we have to expand the logarithm. Expand the logarithm. To expand the logarithm, and this example 3x and w log 3x w log 3x w. We have to expand. All right. This is equals log. Look at this, log 3 plus log log 3 plus log x w, right? This is a first step. Product properties here. Product property. Okay. Now next step, just write it log 3 here again, log 3 plus log x. So now log x plus log w, right? It's also called product property. All right, very important. Know this. This is our conclusion. It says very simple. It's nothing else. Just very simple. Just follow this. I will try to remember you or keep in your mind the rules. These rules and the logarithm. Sometimes when you have complex number and if you don't remember this kind of rule, it's very confused. All right. Let me show another problem. Let me show you another problem. One more. It's very simple. It's not complicated. It's very simple. So let's find the log. Write it w, u, and ub. Okay. How solve our problem? So expand the logarithm here. First step. Right, expand the logarithm. How expand the logarithm? Which logarithm? This one. Log w u v. Right. Now this is will be equals. How expand the logarithm in here? In our example, just log w plus log u and uv. Right, this is a first step. Here is called product property. Okay, last step. Let's do the last step. You know, just one more. Here, just write log w plus log u plus log uv. It's uv. I miss one right here. Uv log v. Yeah, that's it. Just this is a product property of logarithm. Okay, very simple topic. It's not complex. Very simple. Just step by step. Precalculus class. Thank you a lot. You remember or you discover the power of the mathematics. You unleash your infinity potential.